In a large majority of patients that are non-smokers, usually boils down to several common factors that need to be addressed or treated.
Cough can be caused by many different things: sinus disease, asthma, reflux, and other things too, so you treat those underlying issues.
Some patients have underlying acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux that can trigger a cough very commonly, even without heartburn symptoms.
Any real lung ailment will cause a cough. In fact, for lungs, that's the only thing they can feel. They don't feel pain, they don't have any other reaction other than the cough reflex. So anything affecting them will cause us to have a cough.